I've got my Ice Cream Beauty bag for the month of February. So if you want to check out what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And yes, that is a big old box of FabFitFun next to me, but that's for my next video. This one is my Ice Cream Beauty bag for the month of February. So I get the box and I picked up the bag because I wanted the Gourmand Girls Warriors Wear Pink palette from October. And then I just didn't really cancel it because each month I was really liking what I was getting, even in just this small one. And last month she gave us extra items. So it is really inexpensive though. This is $12.50 plus shipping. I think it comes to like $16 all told. So for about what you're getting for an Ipsy regular bag, you're going to get this, which is going to have 3 full-size items, and there's always going to be a palette, and there's 4 in here again this month. So the February, it's just kind of, I think, a Valentine's theme. Let's check out what we got. We have the Go-To lip gloss in GLG06. And, oh, there's 2. Okay, and then this is the GLG03. So we have what looks to be a nude or chocolatey one and a pink one. These together are a $15 value. I'm going to open up this one because this is the one I would be most likely to use. Now, when you do get a dark one like this, if you're like, oh, you know what, that's not really me, even though it's a gloss, it may be very pigmented, you can take this and put this over a color that's maybe overly bright that you want to tone down. So you can certainly find ways to use a darker color if, you know, you don't think like the actual color is you. And the same thing with lighter colors. If you don't think they're you, you can always use them over a darker color. You could even probably mix these together if, you know, that was something you wanted to try. But there we go. It's a lovely color. Really like how that looks. Next, you could have gotten either the Illuminati Cosmetics Prism Mascara or the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow, both valued at $21. And I got the mascara. So I don't know what a Prism mascara is. I'm gonna have to check this out. Usually I don't open these until I'm ready to use them, but I don't know if it's Prism because of the shape. Oh, look at that wand. Wowza. And it is just in a regular black. I wasn't sure if it was like in some prismatic color. Put on this over top of what I'm wearing. Okay, a little sticky, but pretty. I like the color. And then last is the palette. So they had 2 that you could have gotten, and it was just at random, like you didn't have like a choice. She just picks those for you. They're both by Moira Cosmetics. One is the Live in the Moment, and the other is the Happy to See You palette, both valued at $15. So let's see which one I got. I got the Live in the Moment, and that is very pretty. I like that. Very nice colors. And that is my Ice Cream Beauty bag. So I'm not going to do a look with this one only because I'm probably going to either gift that or put it in a giveaway. Because I have a ton of palettes, so I'm getting a little bit more picky about what I keep and what I put aside for others. And Moira's a great brand. It's not expensive. They're cruelty-free, they're vegan. So those are great things. They have a great payout in the color. I have so many palettes right now that unless something really strikes me as like, wow. But again, for the amount I'm putting out, to have this in my back pocket as a gift is not, or for a giveaway, it's just like a great, easy thing for me. So yeah, liking that. We'll use the mascara. We'll use this lip gloss. This one I'm probably going to give away to somebody. I don't know if I'm going to put it in a giveaway with like a bright color to put underneath of it or what I might do, but I will tell you these are sticky. So this one, because I opened it up, I'm going to use, but typically I don't think this is a brand that would be my go-to. That makes sense because the name is go-to. Or at least this particular product from their line. So what do I want you to do? I want you to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you're feeling it. Really helps my channel grow, and I so appreciate it and love having you all as part of my YouTube family. So other than that, hopefully I'll see you soon.